How interested are you in making America a peaceful country? I'm very interested in making America a peaceful country. So let me tell you what's taking peace away from American people and causing great conflict. It's very simple, and you see it and hear it every day. And that is these disrespectful assholes that drive trucks that have half a muffler and cars that have half a muffler, making noise from the cars and the trucks' engines that exceed way past hurting your ear decibel sound level. Let me tell you something. This is taking peace from America and causing people to fight, shoot each other. You need to get these fuckers off of our roads. If they're loud, pull them over, take their keys.